G'day guys, welcome back to the channel and my shop, Zen Motorcycles. Today I have a 2017 Fireblade, SP edition with electronic Öhlins suspension, Brembo brakes, quick shifter, steering dampener, the works. A customer of ours picked it up and brought it in to get the cam chain tensioner swapped out. There is a noise coming from there and these models were known to have an issue with them. To gain access to it, I need to remove the fuel tank, airbox and throttle body. Current gen Fireblades have a plastic cover over the tank and most of the disassembly can be done with a 5mm hex and a Phillips head. On most modern bikes, the wiring harness connectors can easily be identified with unique colours and connectors, all restricted in wire lengths, ensuring it can only be plugged into one component. This aids in assembly later, as it makes it harder to incorrectly connect the wiring harness. Fireblades are now twin injected. Main injectors are directed in the ports and secondary injectors are located in the airbox directly above the stacks. This bike has only done 12,000 Ks, so I was not expected to find this under the air filter. So yeah, it looks like every rib in that air filter is clogged up with all the things Australia is known for except a snake and skippy. I can blow all this out and save the air cleaner, and the filtered side of the airbox is squeaky clean, so the filter is doing its job. This is the new tensioner from Honda. Visually it is identical to the stock unit, but it is a superseded part with a new number. The metal spade is holding the spring tension down. You remove it after the tensioner is installed, which releases the spring tensioning the chain. Like and subscribe guys, it really helps the channel and supports a small business. Ring that bell if you love bikes. Dirty dead flies in the intake, but clean butterflies still. Wonder how the inlet valves are. That's the tensioner that I'm swapping out. As usual, access is tight, so it will be hard to show you what I'm doing in there even with the intake removed. That vacuum hose on the map sensor was really stuck on there. Looking down these intake ports, I can see a decent amount of carbon buildup on the valves. This is usually caused by overfueling, so I wonder if the clogged air filter was causing a rich mixture. I have also seen this on engines that have been running high octane fuels for start-stop city riding. The additives in high octane gasoline are to eliminate knock on high compression engines when revving high. If the engine can't rev out under load, the fuel mixture doesn't burn completely, leaving behind residue. With everything out of the way now, I can swap out the tensioner. It is held on by two 8mm fasteners, and I used a combination of a spanner, small ratchet, a universal wobble bit, and a hammer to carry this part out. Sorry for the poor visibility and placement of my hat. Snap-on should sponsor me. pin and that's done. With all that, I can reassemble and finish off the service, so cue the time lapse. So that will about wrap this video up. The battery started to die around now, but all you missed was me checking the ECU for fault codes, and I added some fresh fuel with some fuel system cleaner additive from MotorX. This stuff works really well and may save you a top end teardown later. Again, be sure to like and subscribe if you like this kind of content and ring that bell for updates. Ride safe guys, keep going.